Secures your battery box. Helps keep your automotive, RV and marine batteries safe during travel. Compatibility. Compatible with all Camco battery boxes. Dimensions. Adjustable strap measures 48 inches, L, by 1.5 inches, W. Features. Side release buckle is simple to connect and tighten. Includes strap, female buckle and male buckle. Material. Strap is made of durable, UV stabilized polymer webbing. Camco's RV, marine battery box strap with buckle secures your battery box during travel. It helps keep your automotive, RV and marine batteries safe. The adjustable strap measures 48 inches, L, by 1.5 inches, W, and is compatible with all Camco battery boxes. The side release buckle is simple to connect and tighten. Product includes strap, female buckle and male buckle. The strap is made of durable, UV stabilized polymer webbing. Top reviews from the United States. Replacement strap for camper battery box. The battery box on camper had a strap that weathered and broke. This worked perfectly to replace it.